couple weeks ago I was digging through some pallets and I noticed that one of them has some spalted maple on it. If you don't know what spalted maple is, or any kind of spalted wood, it's kind of this black lines that form in the grain structure of wood, and it's kind of like a rot or a fungus when wood sits for a little while. Soft maple is notorious for it. So I have a piece of this pallet wood right here. You can see standard old junky pallet wood, but you can see in there, see those black lines? That's spalting. So I decided I wanted to, so I grabbed some of those pieces of wood off of there, and I was thinking about what I could build with it, and I decided why not try to build a fly box, since I love to fly fish so much. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece of pallet wood up to the right sizes, whatever those may be. Just going to kind of wing it. First, let's jump over here and saw this thing up and get it nice and smooth on both sides and square on all edges. Alright, now that we have the top and bottom all cut and dimensioned up, we need to make some sides. So I found a scrap piece of ebony, and I think that'll look really pretty as a contrasting a really dark with the light wood. So we're gonna use the table saw to cut those miters, and I'm gonna probably just use a rubber band to try to use to clamp it all together along with some other clamps. So, all right, let's get to that. Alright, so now I'm going to have to lay out where the hinge goes. This is something that I'm really nervous about too, because it's such a small little mortise in those sides. And I don't really know what's going to be the best way to do it. So I have this small little piano hinge. I'm disappointed after I bought it and opened it up. It actually has, it only opens 90 degrees rather than a full like 180. So that's kind of a bummer. But anyway, we'll run with it. I'm going to use my little homemade router plane. You'll see that. I'll use my chisels and see if we can't get these mortise cut. Alright. Hey everyone, thanks for watching part 1. I'm sorry I couldn't get all the footage into one video, so hopefully you'll stick around and watch part 2. Also, if you could click subscribe and like the video and comment, all that kind of stuff really helps. So, alright, there should be a link to part 2, so go ahead and watch that. You guys have a good day.